In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candlestick colors in Thinkorswim. If you want your chart to be easier to read or simply match your preferred trading layout, changing candlestick colors is a quick customization that can make a big difference. Thinkorswim Web gives you control over how bullish and bearish candles appear, along with the borders and wicks, so you can create a chart style that feels clear and comfortable for you. To get started, open Thinkorswim Web and go to the Charts tab. This is where you'll find the main charting area and the visual settings for your candlestick display. Once you're on the chart screen, look to the upper right corner of the chart and click the gear icon. This opens the chart settings menu, which is where you can adjust the look and feel of your chart. Inside chart settings, select the appearance tab. This section contains the visual customization options for your chart, including the candlestick color controls. Once you're there, locate the candlestick color settings. You should see separate color boxes that let you customize different parts of the candle display. Now click the color boxes for the specific elements you want to change. You can choose a color for up candles, which represent bullish price movement, and a separate color for down candles, which represent bearish movement. You can also adjust the candle borders if you want sharper contrast around the candle bodies. In addition, you'll see an option for the wicks or shadows, which are the thin lines that extend above and below each candle to show the full price range. As you select each color box, choose the colors you prefer. Many traders use green for up candles and red for down candles, but you can pick any combination that helps you read the chart more comfortably. A good tip here is to choose colors with strong contrast so the candles remain easy to distinguish, especially during fast market movement. Once you finish selecting your preferred colors, click Apply to Preview and save the changes, and then click OK to close the settings window. Your chart should now reflect the updated candlestick colors immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the candlestick colors in Thinkorswim Web. This is a simple adjustment, but it can really improve visibility and make your charting experience feel more personalized.